Okay, good morning, everyone. Today is 30th of November, 2023. It is around 9:07 a.m. in the morning. All right, on the right screen. What we are seeing right now is the remaining data release for the rest of the week. All right. So today is Thursday. So we still got some pocket of news and item will be coming out. And as usual, one of the weekly highlight is this guy, right? So this is going to be quite an important one as usual. This is a weekly item. And we also got other item for today and tomorrow. We have a Canadian item and we have a Saturday, we have Power where we're speaking. This is something that you may want to consider carefully because normally, whenever Power speak, market might have some impact on it, right? And moreover, the point here is that he will be speaking on Saturday. So, you might have already taken some position and he says something, Monday market might move to the another direction. So please think twice before you leaving any when you open any position left behind during the weekend. All right. So because there is some potential market moving announcement or suggestion or remark, this kind of stuff might happen. All right, these are the news that we will be having for today and the rest of the week. All right, let's continue with the chart and the rest of the data. So this is number one. Okay, number two. Okay, number two, number two, what you can see here is that on the left side is flow data, right? You can see the flow have been kind of dripping for the past few days already. You can see they are kind of topping out in my opinion. You can see the flow is kind of flowing and topping out. So I think it's kind of proof the market may be a little bit overstretched to the upside. Okay, so my suggestion for in terms of tone for the remainder of the week, please be careful with buying anything at the moment because you can see the market is kind of topping out. So we might see some rollover per se. So since we would like to wait patiently for a good setup, so my suggestion will be instead of buying now, maybe we can wait for a buy at the lower price and stuff like that because market overall the trend is stay up for sure. All right, the trend is stay up. So I think we have a temporary pullback to support level, this kind of stuff. Okay, so from the flow data, this is what we can observe. All right. Another one that we can observe here is that the what we call it the stable coin data, stable coin market cap, right? So since October, the stable coin market cap have been rising, right? You can see here it's very nice, right? So you know already, right? The market cap rise, what is the impact to the crypto market, right? The crypto market is really doing very well, right? But as for right now, market sign kind of goes sideways for the past almost 1 week. Okay, so you can see it is going sideways already at this moment. So I think in the crypto we might be coming into some sort of neutral kind of play in my opinion. Okay, of course the rise of the crypto will continue if this number goes up higher. As of right now, I think the sideways move will be likely possible. So all of them are roughly saying more or less the same direction. They, all the pair might be, I would say, might be have some pullback. Okay, you got my point. So this from the flow, number one from the flow, number two from the crypto market cap of the order or the stable coin. All right. So now let's start with the individual pairs. All right. Okay, individual pairs. Okay, hang on. Let me do like this so that. Okay, individual pair. All right, on your right is basically a future market. On your left is basically our normal CFD market. So let's start with our main item as usual. Okay, I will upload this in YouTube later. All right, so when I upload in YouTube, right, basically what I'm gonna do is, I will put that sort of like a timestamp in general, so that you can, you can move around for you to see your, wherever the interest lines. Okay, so. Okay, so currently British pound US dollars, right? Okay, we have a bullish candle, but I think the whole thing is indicating the same direction. We have a kind of doji bullish candle. I will move into the daily. All right, doji bullish candle. You can see that the market is is like being resisted a little bit already. I think this this is really expected, right? Because you can see we are in a very high congested area already. So that's why market is kind of roll over. All right, that's why we have a doji candle, right? We have a doji candle. At the same time, right, we look at whenever we look at the retail traders, right? Retail traders are minus 90. All right, retail traders are minus 90 is basically they are really so strong on the sell side, minus 90 leh, right? That means they are only 10% away from totally 100%, right? I mean, 100% is never such a case, but it's I'm trying to show you the comparison, right? So minus 90 is very rare kind of event. So I would say we are about to see some kind of pullback in the making. So my suggestion: do not long British pound US dollar right now. Okay, if you buy now, I don't want you to get trapped in the upside. You know, you can buy it at the later price and a cheaper price. Okay, so all right. So hang on a minute. Today will be a little bit long-winded because I want to go through properly and do some record down and stuff like that. So this line is already happened, right? So I'm going to take it away because it's already fulfilled already. All right. So British pound, I am expecting market to pull back down. Okay, where can they pull back down to? All right. So I think as a result, I think they will move away from this congested area and then go to some support level. So my thinking, I would say market will go to here. All right, market will go to here. Hang on. Market will go to here before they really try to bounce back up. I think will be here will be quite nice because these levels are pretty interesting. These levels are pretty interesting, right? So this one first, okay? Then the second one will be here, okay? So I think I will say we wait and buy at the later price. Okay, so we are talking about 1.261, right? 1.261. So I will put the alert here. 1.261, all right? Another one is here, 1.253, all right? So this will be my alert here. So I will not be buying or anything chasing the market right now. We will be very subjective and wait patiently. I will say they have more reason for them to pull back now already. All right, so just wait a while. So should you short or not? I will not really suggest so, because in the real proper uptrend, going with the flow will be the better choice. All right, so I was saying we are obviously in the uptrend. I think just a minimal pullback at the moment. So instead of chasing buy now, we are trying to buy later. Okay, on that. All right. So moving on, Euro USD. On your left side is the Euro CFD. On your right side is the Euro future from CME. Okay, so Euro also same issue. I think if you are in our inner circle, I am kind of been running for the past at least for yesterday, right? Please be careful because of the retail traders are too extreme. So your retail trader were minus 88. Now they are minus 85. So basically what they are doing, they are reducing their short. Why are they reducing their short? Okay, I have to explain to you one more time. Okay, retail trader was minus 50 here, all right? Example, all right? Then as the market go up higher, what they should do? They should add long, right? Because market is going up already, right? But instead, retail trader what they do is that instead of going long, right? They defend their position. They add some more short, minus 60. The market go up higher, instead of going long, they add some more short. So they always fight the market, right? This is their mass behavior, right? So go all the way up until minus 88 recently, right? So this is where we kind of notice that, okay, we are getting extreme already. So retail traders are just like a rubber band, they are really pull to thing already. So we say, okay, the market might pull back down, right? So this is exactly what happened. Market pull back down. Why the market pull back down? Because they are they are too overstretched. Some of them were bound to have stop out, right? So because the market go up higher, they get stop out. So some of their short got closed. So now from minus 88, they become minus 85. All right. So that means some of the retail traders are being stopped out. That means some of the sell position are going away already. All right. So that's the reason why market is kind of pull back down. So I think market will likely to go back down to this region, in my opinion. First, they will start with this a little bit. If a little bit strong one, they will go to this. So we have a two region that identify. Okay. All right. So same thing. My directions are already fulfilled. So I'm going to take this line away. Okay. Okay, gentlemen, everybody okay so far? Everybody okay so far? All right. So same thing. I will change the alert to they will alert me at 1.0946. The second one will be 0.058 1.0857. Okay. Okay, so same thing. I will say wait and buy will be better choice here. Okay. All right. So this on the euro. Okay, I hope everybody is okay so far. All right, let's move on. Aussie. So far, all of them are roughly the same scenario that they are working on, right? Because everything is again US dollar, right? Okay, Aussie. Okay, Aussie, this is my KIV pair for this week, right? I suggest Aussie were likely to go up higher, and it indeed went up higher. So Aussie, similar issue. They were minus 85 retail traders. Now they are minus 77. Okay. So they are being reduced pretty quickly actually. From just now the euro is minus 88 to minus 85 only. Then this guy is minus 88 to minus 77. So basically Aussie is reducing pretty quick. So I think when the market rebound back, right, I think Aussie will be the first one to rebound also. Okay, so now we got three so far: British pound, euro, Aussie, right? I would say Aussie might be the first one to climb up soon. Okay, so Aussie is like if you have to choose, let's say the market go to support level, you want to buy, which one to choose? I would say it's Aussie. All right, this is how you sort of like differentiate further. Okay, so this one fulfilled already, same thing. I will take it away. All right, so we are at this congested area. That's why market is, the congested area. What the market does, of course, congesting lah. They cannot congested, right? So they got resisted and they are pulling right back. So I think they were likely to go to here. All right, they have a go to here, and another one will be somewhere around here. All right, this is a bit of a support zone. So I would say is this two level were likely to happen. All right. So this is a two level. So I will say this two level is a place that you should at least be waiting. So buying now, no. Buying later, most likely. All right. So I will add Aussie. All right. So the first one is 0.66. All right. Second one is 0.655. Okay. So this what I'm expecting to happen. All right. So let's wait and see. So same thing, all three of them. All right, all three of them, I am expecting the same thing to happen. What will happen? What we do? What is our plan? We wait for buy, right? We wait to buy. Selling, better not, because we need to be very fast, and going counter trend is very stressful job. So instead, I think patiently waiting will be a better rewarding option here. Okay, let's continue. All right, New Zealand, they were minus 88 retail trader. Now they are minus 83. Okay, two of Aussie and New Zealand are the most resilient one. All right, I think they will do better in the near future. So just wait and buy as well. So if the market recover and coming back up again, same thing, wait and buy will be the better choice. Okay, right now, I would say not really a good time for you to enter now because we are at the congested area. So let them do a little bit of pullback, lah, right? Let them likely to do a little bit of pullback. So I will be expecting market will do at least some sort of pullback first, in my opinion. All right, so some sort of pullback first, in my opinion. So this will be the likely case scenario. All right, but I think the overall trend is still a very uptrend. Okay, so I projected the uptrend, so it's already happened. So I'm gonna take this away, to save. I mean, to make my chart as clear as possible because it's already quite messy already. So same thing, New Zealand, I expect market to go up higher. All right. Okay, just now it's 6.6. So it's already, we're going to remove because it's a duplicate. So remove the Aussie just now. Okay, another one is New Zealand. New Zealand is here. All right, New Zealand is here. The first one that I'm expecting is 0.612. Second one is somewhere around here, 0.60669. Okay, so this is what it is. All right, so very similar. All of them show, all of them telling the same story, right? I think market is going to go up higher eventually. Just wait and buy. Okay, so patient now. Stay on the buy side still. Okay, market is obviously going up. All right. Okay, gold. Gold is actually from our market composition. Because the market composition only come out on Tuesday. All right, because of the market composition, actually it's a buy actually, right? So it's we are in a very nice resisting area already. So buying now may be a little bit tricky, but selling is definitely not. Okay, so I think gold is going to go up a lot higher eventually, right? So you can buy if you want to. All right, you can buy if you want to, or you can wait and buy if you want to also. All right, but the direction should be only look for a buy will be the better choice in my opinion. All right. And I look at the retail trader, what the retail trader was doing. Okay, retail trader were minus 76. So they are not really so extreme yet, if you ask me. All right, they are not like just on the British pound or euro. They are almost like minus 90, minus 80. This is only minus 76 only. So if they were to go up higher, this one can go up a lot higher first, in my opinion. So my thinking, and moreover, look at the candle. Okay lah. Candle is doji lah. All right, almost a doji one. So moreover, I would say the only one reason, or the main reason that I can think of, is that the retail traders are stay minus 76 only. They are not so extreme yet. So I think they were likely to drift higher first. So I think I will take this away first. So what might happen is I think they were likely to drift higher like this kind of first, in my opinion. Okay, so instead of like British pound, euro, Aussie, New Zealand, if you really want to go in and straight long, I think this will have a better chance. Okay, selling all of them is out of the question. Okay, you got my point. Selling all of them is out of my question. Then this will have a little bit better chance of going up. Okay, so next, let's talk about where the good supports are. Obvious one is 2017. All right. What the market is doing right now is, because of all the stop are being overrun already, market have no much of the opposing factor already. All right, so that's why they are really going up a lot higher. Okay, so I would say it's of course bullish. All right, 2015 is a good support. So as long as 2015 is not strongly broken, yeah, stay on the buy side. Okay, so this is it. All right. Sorry, this one should be this name. Ladies and gentlemen, everybody okay so far? Okay. Silver. All right, silver. This week we already closed with profit already. So I mean, we have a decent profit. We managed to run all this late November run up. We managed to catch almost all of them. All right. So now where are they going? they are actually going to go up higher further. All right. The only point we should be talking about is, I mean, they will go up immediately higher, or they will pull back a little bit before they go up higher. That's all only. The direction is very clear to me. All right. So it is really the up move. So forget about going short. Okay. So this projection already fulfilled. So take it away. All right. So I think market is going to go a lot higher. All right. So same thing where, even the pullback, where you want to wait only. So the first one that you may want to wait is here. All right. Second one that you may want to wait is around here, in my opinion. So this is the TP toe area. So these two locations. So like that or like that. All right, gentlemen. So let's see, gentlemen. All right. So I will say 24.8. Another one is 24.1. All right. So wait and buy, or buy will be the better choice. All right. So let me repeat that. 28 point, around this 28.7 to 24.7 to 24.1. All right. Stay on the buy side, gentlemen. Stay with the buy side. Okay. Just a minute. I need to check something. Okay. All right. So this on silver. Let's continue, gentlemen. Okay. Another one is US dollar Canadian. Of course, because of the nature of the market, where all these guys were, all the US dollar pair will happen. Of course, US dollar pair were likely to go down, right? Okay, so I was expecting market were likely to go there, and it already true, so I have to take it away already. All right, so next, what is happening right now? So we the retail trader, they were like plus 56. Okay, this guy is a little bit slightly different. Okay, the point here is the retail traders are really nothing extreme yet. So I think what will happen is the market will likely to go to I would say somewhere stronger ready, in my opinion. Okay, so now let's start with the CFD. All right, so you can see here. So when the market was pulling, there was a bit of volume coming in to so-called support the price. They tried to go up, but they couldn't do it immediately, right? Then they go further down. Then they have another support coming in to support the price. Then they try to go up again. Then eventually they manage to go up higher. Then here they have one more volume come up to push the price. So I think what they are doing right now is that the Canadian dollar is bottoming per se. So they have, whenever the market reach some support level, there's some push coming in to support the price. I think what's going to happen is they're going to go like this, really, in my opinion. If they go like this, what will happen? They're going to do, maybe we'll draw like this. Okay, so this something like this is going to happen. All right. And moreover, you can see here, we are already at the congested area. All right. So my thinking is that, they will definitely have some support. There were some force to push the price lah, right? So I think what will happen is we wait at some resisting level to, to sell it down will be the better choice. All right. So my plan. Okay. So this is, so I will, let me color it to the red color so that, talking about bearish bias. All right. So this is what is happening right now. So my plan is I think the market will likely to go this manner, in my opinion. All right. If they were a bit strong reversal, okay, they can go to here as well. So just keep that in your mind. Okay. So this is a good level for you to potentially wait to sell it from. Okay. So let's look for this guy. This guy don't have. Okay, never mind. So US dollar, Canadian. Okay, the 1.365. 1.372. Okay, so this is the what I'm expecting to happen. Okay, so wait and sell. All right, so at least overall bias sell, put it this way. Okay, where you want to sell a bit, this one need to decide. Oh, this guy, you look at this guy. Oh my god. Whenever I look at this, I only see the money in my eyes. Crazy, this fella, right? You see the market really one-way street. Okay, US dollar CHF. All right, US dollar CHF is even crazier. What is happening right now? Okay, same thing, right? Okay, this is already fulfilled already. Huh? I don't want to stand on ceremony, so I will take it away. Okay, so same thing. They were minus 60 around here, all right? So, sorry, they were plus 60 around here. So they were bullish 60%, all right? The market go down. I mean, this is such a breakdown level, right? So this is a very big alarm to them that, hey guys, the market is very bearish. Better please reduce your long position. You are losing money. No, they do opposite, right? So they fight the market 65%, they increase. Then they go further down 70%. They go further down, they fight some more. They go, now they are, plus 93% already. Oh my God, you see, they are really overstretched. So the moment they reduce their long position, example, they become plus 90. So what happened to them? They reduce their long position, right? This is exactly market will turn back up. So I would say a bit scary for you to short right now, because I think market reversal might be around the corner. All right. So I think likely to happen will be this kind of condition, in my opinion. Okay. Nonetheless, stay on the short side only as well. All right. So I think the first resistance will be 0.88. Second resistance will be 0.885. Are we clear on this? Okay. Let's see US dollar CHF I have already done or not. Not yet, huh? Okay, so this is the way for us to alert us. So just chill and wait for it to happen. All right. So stay a bearish momentum. It's just that I don't want to get caught with the chasing. So I want to wait at the higher level to sell it down. So same thing. All the US pair. All the US pair wait and sell. Okay on this. Okay, let's continue. US dollar JPY. Okay, so previously market was have a bullish candle. All right, so I was saying that it will go up higher. I missed by a little bit, all right? But I was intended them to go to this level. So it's really turned out so-called it's already, I would say 80% done. So I will take it away, no longer valid anymore. All right. On our left is CFD, on our right is future. So same thing. I think this guy is about to go up a lot higher in terms of Japanese yen. It means this one going to go down a lot lower in the Japanese yen. All right. So same thing on this fella. All right. This guy is only minus 50. Only plus 52. So you see, this guy have a lot room to fall actually. All right. So because they're only plus 52, right? So as the market go up lower, what will happen? They'll become plus 60, they'll become plus 70, they'll go until plus 80 to 90. So we have a lot of room for them to go down further, in my opinion. So if you want to chase one, I think instead of the rest, US dollar JPY have a better survival rate of going further down. Okay, so this will be my first KIV for today. Of course, we are on the sell side. Okay. I will definitely on the sell. All right, definitely on the sell. Maybe you want to wait around this kind of stuff, right? I will definitely on the sell side. Okay, so this is my first KIV on the sell side. The rest have to be, the rest have to be weight lah. Okay, so JPY is this guy 147.68. Okay, so this is what it is. All right, so I think I'm still on the sell side now. Okay, let's move on. Okay, let's talk about US market. Okay, before I go to the other market, let's summarize on the forex market. All right, so almost everything against US dollars is bullish, right? British pound, euro, Aussie. Okay, but there's a little bit minor issue going on right now because they look too extreme. All right, so there might be pullback along the way, at least for now first. So you may not want to chase the market. So everything against US dollar, I think wait and buy will be better choice. Okay, among them all, I think gold and silvers are stay pretty promising. So these two fella will be my KIV on the buy side. All right. So I think Forex in general, I think better don't chase, but gold and silver, especially silver, I think we still got a bit of better chance of going up further. Okay. And talk about the US market, US Forex pair, US dollar Canadian, US dollar CHF, US dollar JPY. So you can see almost all of them are, of course, bearish. So we should be talking about wait and sell only. So among them all, US dollar JPY is the most promising one in my opinion. So we have, okay lah, two major KIV at this moment. So first one is silver. Second one is US dollar JPY short. I repeat, first one is silver long. Second one is US dollar JPY short. Okay. Okay. Now we can move on already. Okay. US market. Okay, US market, we are seeing some extreme case scenario. I think you can see my projection. It's already come true. Our market will go there, so it indeed go there. So similar thing, I think we will have a bit of a stay the bullish overall. All right, so either you buy or wait and buy only. Selling is a bit out of the question. So let's see how it's go. All right, selling is a bit out of the question. So let's see how it's go. I'm thinking market will go up further in my opinion. All right, so I think they can go to like it's already touched. So anyway, they can go to here 35.5, this kind of stuff. Anyway, buy or wait and buy only. Of course, I will a bit more recommend on the wait and buy tone. Okay, so we should be talking something like this. Okay, so don't chase unnecessarily. If you want to chase, don't go all in. All right, because market can pull back because overstretched, right? Come to some support level, this kind of stuff. All right, so bullish and slightly bullish there. Okay. Okay, moving on. Hong Kong. All right, Hong Kong. Wow, I was dead wrong on this fella. Okay, but anyway, Hong Kong. Actually, I was being kind of sideways and stuff like that, and market is not really doing anything at all. So I have been. If you watch my video for the past few days, I'm talking about I just forget the Hong Kong for a time being. This guy is really, really on the bearish tone. You can see market is really failed to recovering. Okay, just to keep in mind one last thing. Look at the yesterday candle. We have a bit of control on the lower end. So if the market go above or today the price manage to go above this 17K level, we may have a small minor chance. All right. Other than that, overall stay on the bearish tone. Look at the yesterday candle is very strongly broke this whole thing. So we are minimum 1 day away from being bullish. All right. So Hong Kong is our more or less bearish at this moment. Right. Shall we sell now or not? I think we are a little bit late for that because already at the support level already. So I think we will just, come back tomorrow. Let's see how the candle. If we have a bullish candle, maybe we have a chance for the upside. If not, don't bother. All right. Okay. Overall, it's still very bearish here. This on Hong Kong. Okay. Let's talk on the DAX. That is the JAMA index. Okay, JAMA index has a very good bullish mode. I think this is a kind of like a the stop out, stop hunt kind of thingy, in my opinion. All right, stop out, stop hunt kind of thingy, in my opinion. I think this is how the market is, trying hard now at the moment. All right. So we have a very good bullish run, and it's already come true already. All right. So this one already, I'm going to take it away. So I think going forward will be a little bit need to be careful, in my opinion. You can see here we are at the monthly control, this kind of stuff. So I will still be bullish, but you need to be very careful. Sell it sure now or not? Of course, definitely not. We need at least one more candle to show on the sell side. So it's stay bullish. Just be careful at the moment. All right. Okay, let's move on to WTI. Okay, WTI, we have a small sell for the past 2 days ago. All right. So I expect market will likely to drift higher. Okay, we are still in the early stage. So I think this is the kind of pair that we should look out for a potential to the upside. Okay. Okay, we are at the congested zone at the moment. You can obviously see this is a congested zone, right? So that's a reason why market is, like very hard to move, like something is pulling them and like that. All right. So as long as this level is not broken, as long as this level is not broken, I am pretty much on the bullish mode. I think they are about to really go up higher. Okay, may not be immediate, but they will try. And the moment they break around like $81 each, I think they're gonna really go up pretty fast. Okay, so I'm thinking we have a more chance to be upside than the downside. Right, so I'm bullish on this. If you notice, I have I have what we call it I have an alert here. All right, so it's already triggered already. So I put the alert on $77.4. So it's already now 77.7 now. So it's already give me an indication that market is likely to be on the upside already. So this is my indication. So WTI will be one of my KIV pair for today as well. Stay on the buy side, gentlemen. Of course, whenever the good setup is appearing, of course, it's not obvious, right? If it is too obvious, what will happen? Of course, a lot of people will manage to catch it and a lot of people will become rich, right? So we have to start when the market is really not doing well. Market is not really showing anything big, all right? The moment market already shown the big move, I mean, more or less it is already over, right? So I think it will go up higher. I have a long position, and we now let's see whether can unfold in our direction or not. Okay. All right. Let's make some money, guys. So this is my third KIV for today. All right. Okay. Let's move on. Corn. Boring, boring, boring. Okay, corn have been really under, like they have been shaken out. Okay, from what I can see, corn, right? What I can see, corn is that they have been really like you can see here. Wait, they've been really going down. Then they use really low volume to really shake people out. Now you see they really boost back. So I think corn will have eventually will go up higher. All right, eventually will go up higher, but then they are trying hard to push in my opinion. So you see same thing here. They are at the congested level. So once the moment they really break this level, I really have a big swing move up. Okay, so we better be stay buy than sell at the moment. All right, it's already trigger me ready. Right, you can see here it's already trigger me ready. Last time I put 476. Right, so I think it's better to stay on the buy side already. So this arrow is stay valid here. I think market will likely to go 492 in my opinion. Okay, so corn is bullish, gentlemen. Oh, sorry, slightly bullish, gentlemen. All right, 492 very possible. Okay, so bullish lah. Another one is wheat. Wheat also good, looking good, right? They are really making a return up to the upside. Same thing, on your left is CFD, on your right is a future market. I think wheat is really, really, really bullish. Hey, guys, bullish, bullish, bullish. Why? You see the price are being supported well. Then they are about to break from this range zone. Okay, let me draw again. Wow. my drawing funny. Oh, yeah, man. Boom, boom. All right, so I think what's going to happen, I think likely we'll go to this region. All right, so go to this region I was talking. 640 possible. All right, 6364, this kind of thing possible. So wheat is also very bullish. So this will be my, wow, how many KIV already? Fourth KIV already, right? So it's also bullish, guys. I even prefer this over to corn actually, right? It's bullish, gentlemen. Wow, looking nice, yeah, this guy. All right. I think market will really going to fly on them really. So the soft commodities are doing really well actually, guys. Okay, so please monitor them, all right, and take a trade if you want to, all right. Okay, soybean. I'm gonna take this away. This one is okay. So, all right. So let's talk about where we have here. So market having bullish things here, since then they kind of like zipping around here and there. I think market will likely to go up higher as well. Okay, this guy I don't really have so much so much feel like wheat bet, but I think the market will likely to go up higher. All right, so I think we're likely to go something like this. All right, so stay on the slightly bullish mode as well. So all the soft commodities are more or less bullish. Corn is slightly bullish, soybean is slightly bullish, wheat is bullish. Wheat is my recommended, no, sorry, not recommended yet. It's a KIV pair. So I already got a few KIV for us to be busy for the rest of the day already. Okay, so focus on them. You do your pros and cons on them and take a trade if you want to. Okay, all right, let's go to the crypto. Okay, crypto. Crypto is overall is slightly bullish. Our weekly plan is neutral. Okay, I think I will stay a bit hold to the weekly plan of being neutral. Okay, just now I mentioned you this one. Remember? Let me show that again. All right, so crypto in general currently is like bouncing into the sideways kind of period, right? You can see here, right? So I think because of there's not much fresh money coming in per se, no new fresh money coming in per se. So I think that's the reason why crypto will be a little bit tricky to go upside further. Okay, but doesn't mean that it's going to be downside because the market is stay, overall the trend is bullish. So you can see the trend is very bullish, right? You can see they haven't even retest the lower point yet. So we cannot say it's bearish at all. All right. So I think market will likely to go up higher. It's just that we need more clue at this moment. So I will stay with neutral rather, right? Neutral a little bit on that. So crypto, the Bitcoin, the major one is of course a bit on the neutral at this moment. All right. Okay, this on crypto. All right, moving on. Moving on will be natural gas. Okay, later we will come back to crypto related again. But let me look into let me finish up this thing first. Okay, natural gas. Okay, natural gas is not really doing so well as far as our plan. Of course, not every time we will be right? Okay, wait, natural gas. Okay, natural gas is, I think something is a little bit funny here because you see our future is not really down a lot, but our CFD is down a lot. So what is happening right now is that I think they are just trying to touch some, hunting some stop in my opinion. as long as this guy don't really go up, this one don't really go down and start to go up, I think the market will return back, in my opinion. All right. So at the moment, of course, I'm not so bullish anymore. I will be kind of like sideways and hold my position at this moment. By the way, I have one long position, and let's see. Of course, you know, we are under drawdown at this moment. We will not add any position. All right, we will not add any position. Let the trade play out first. Of course, will it be a winner or loser? All right, let it play out first. Okay. So this is a good support in my opinion. So I won't be surprised if the candle turn up bullish by today. Okay. So let's see how it goes. Yesterday candle is kind of like a doji candle. So I think we are in the change to the trend in my opinion. Okay, that's my wishful thinking. All right. So let's see. So I will be next case, of course, slightly bearish or neutral for now. All right. We have a long position, to be honest. So I will wait until my trade play out, whether be it a winner or loser. I will not be adding or fighting the market or anything like that. All right, let the market give whatever they want to give. All right, so this will be the summary of my today analysis. Later I will go to some crypto, but let me summarize first. Okay, we have a few KIV. The first one is silver long, right? Second one is US dollar JPY on the short side. And the third one is oil to the buy side. You got 3 ready. And the fourth one is wheat on the buy side. Okay. So we have 4 KIV that we can concentrate on for the rest of today and try to see whether we want to take position or not. Okay. Trading is a patient cat and mouse game. So chasing the market it will most likely will end up as a loser most of the time. All right. So we have to wait for a setup. We have to let it happen. Then we take a trigger and we continue on until it's really over. Okay. So trading is supposed to be a boring game. Okay. So I have already given you 4 promising one. I repeat, the first one is silver long. Second one is US dollar JPY short. And the third one is oil long. And the fourth one is wheat on the buy side. Okay. All right. Let's take a look a bit on the crypto. Okay. Let me just refresh this fella. Okay, crypto at a glance, right? At a glance, you can see crypto market is overall a bit on the neutral tone per se. You can see here, most of the pairs belongs to a little bit of minus is 0 and a little bit of positive is 0. All right. And only a few go above 10%, only a few go below 10%. So it is, it's kind of balanced, a bit on the neutral and slightly bearish per se, because there are some pairs that really go more than minus 2%. So it's totally kind of like definitely not in the bullish mode. All right, overall. Okay, let's take a look on the OI. Okay, you can see at a glance, because this thing, I think you need to refresh it periodically, right? You need to refresh it periodically, because you can see that they will not update on its stuff. You have to just F5 or whatever every 1 hour, every 15 minutes or so. Okay, so now you can see here for the past 1 day, this Maker DAO MKR have been really on the OI is really doing to the upside. So this is something that market is interesting, which market is interested on this particular products, right? Okay, so I think it's really turned out to be the truth, right? You see the market is really for the past one day, you can see the candle is really on the more or less in the bullish tone. So you see, if you caught this candle in this, if you got this pair in this early stage of rising, you will be managed to caught this whole move up more or less. Okay, so that's why our job is to refresh this every 1 hour or so to see which line is popping out from the rest. Okay, like for example, now For example, now where is the one that really popping out right now? I would say the current one that popping is this Shiba coins. All right. All right, so something like this. So we have a bit of early stage of potential popping to the upsides here. You see those small up, but of course, you buy because it is going up, but along the way, market can turn back down, and then you have to act differently, yeah, because we cannot see the future, but we can see what is happening and choose for the likely one. So something like, for example, just to give just another one, you see uni also like making a little bit of head up. All right, so uni. You see what I mean or not? Let me show you one more time on this. This is a uni. All right, then this is Shiba, the one that I just mentioned. All right. So among so many pair, now you can roughly filter out a bit of promising one. Okay, uni is not doing well yet, right? See, you see, because you know why uni have been dropping for the past actually better part of the 24 hours, right? So that's why market have been down. So what you can do is that you can wait for some pullback to the upside, then you can buy slowly if you want to. All right. And of course, the moment you buy already, you keep on checking that this thing have to be continuously going up. All right. It doesn't go up, of course, your buy side is no longer valid. So you need a continuous monitoring included, involved. All right. So I think uni is pulling right back because already a few days ago they have a very big move up already. That's why they are making some kind of pullback. All right. So sooner or later, if the moment you need this OI start to pop up, we might have a bullish case scenario. At the same time, not only OI, we need to wait for a bullish candle also. Okay, so kind of way to filter out the instrument here. Okay. All right, and going forward, all right, going forward, what are the items that we may have? All right, there's another way for us to monitor. Okay, there's one more way for us to monitor. Okay, I use this link, right? I use this link here. All right, this is a data screener for it's a free one. You can use this website for all the pairs that in the crypto market right now. Of course, it look very big and very confusing, but I would like to focus something like this, right? I would like to look at this OI change for the past 8 hours. Okay. So you can see, okay, we do not know, you don't have to know what are these items, but these are the items that telling you that, hey, brother, you should go and monitor this fella, all right? This is something up to this fella. All right, so just to give a clue, you can look for this, the first one, DODX. Sorry, DODOX. All right. You see, they have been really up for the past hour. So you see, this is how you can identify where are the pairs that if moving. Okay, let me be very clear. They only tell you what are the pair that are moving right now, moving big right now, but they don't necessarily tell you what are the pairs that are going to move in future. But due to the the continuation pattern in the market, of course, if the pair have been moving previously, what happened? Of course, they were likely to continue to move so, right? Of course, nothing is 100% here, but you can see the relation there. All right. So as of right now, you can see these guys, we have a very big push up. I think market will likely to push further this guy. All right. Another one is this one. Okay, same thing. I think this one have a better chance. You see market have been really consolidating. All right. We have a bit of a bullish case scenario. You see the market tend to here. Right, they have been bounced from there. I think market will definitely go to here, in my opinion. So this is how you identify this is how you pick up all the potential pairs that market might be moving. Of course, there is risk involved. I cannot stress enough. Right, market, nothing is free. You take risk to get the reward. I mean, no risk, no reward, right? But we take the proper and manageable and so-called known risk. All right. Okay, so this on the second one. Okay, we go through a few. Let's go to the third one. So the third one, BAT, USDT, BAT, spell wrongly. All right. And also, okay, just to show you again, also when we choose the crypto coins, we look for something a bit of bigger one, right? Let's say currently we have 3 choices, right? We have this, we have this, we have this. So if you ask me, I would take the Coinbase one or Binance one because they are the most biggest, bigger one. So instead of choosing other coins, other exchange per se, I will prefer Coinbase or Binance, right? Because the data and the volume, all those things is better. So BAT also same thing. We have a very big push up. I think market will likely to go further up, in my opinion. All right. So imagine, let's say the crypto market, right? Crypto market. If this data right now is like where we have it here, is going up, and we have this kind of data to follow, what do you think it will happen? Market will very much in the bull move. Am I right to say? Now the market is a bit trying not, they have a hard time going up because of this guy. The market have already, the stable coin inflow have already been like a sideways already. Okay, that's the reason why. But anyway, right, I expect overall it stay a bullish mode. I think market will likely to go up higher. So this is how we sort of like look out for what are the pairs for us to trade actually. All right, I'm sharing with you right now. They just super. Okay, super is here. All right, you can see here super is what is happening to the, okay, super is stay pretty much bearish, right? You can see the market come to here. They are being congested. They have been touched at the congested zone. They really been sort of like pushed back down, right? Then market will likely to go here at this moment. All right, market will likely to go here at this moment. So I'm expecting market will go this way, in my opinion. All right, so what will likely to happen? Market will go this way. Market will do this, in my opinion. So you may want to wait for 1 more days until we have some bullish case scenario. Super, I think we will just keep it as it is. All right. Okay, guys, anything else? Anything else you want me to go through? Okay, NasDaq. All right, sure. Okay, coffee. Okay, what is happening to coffee right now is that we are staying pretty much in a bullish mode, right? You can see, okay, there's one minor issue with that. Recently, we have, when the price go to here, we have a bit of fighting going on already. No wonder market is kind of like, they are doing like this. Okay, we have a bit of congested zone, in my opinion. So coffee, maybe you may want to take on the higher ground. I mean, you may want to step out a little bit. Eventually, the market shall go up higher. It just that I don't think it's immediately will happen. They will likely do something like this. Okay, coffee look very bullish to me overall. It's just that because of there's some fighting going on here, so they need to shake those trader out first. So shake means they have to swing wildly first, right? All right, so know the proper direction the market will likely to go up higher. So stay on the buy side, wait and buy. Okay, NasDaq. Okay, NasDaq, we have a kind of like a bearish, like go to here and they come back down. I think we have a kind of like a very bearish looking candle. Okay, so what is happening right now is the NasDaq, they try to go up, but they couldn't break up higher immediately. I think it's very similar to Dow Jones. Overall, it stay bullish, gentlemen. All right, overall, it stay bullish. I think what will happen is the market will have to a bit of pullback before they go back up higher. So we have 2 scenarios. First scenario, this. Second scenario is this one. So if you ask me, if you have some position, I think you will take some, you may want to some profit. You may want to wait at the lower price before you buy in again. I will really prefer here because you see there's a very nice congested, very nice controls are here. So this way the market will likely to wait before they go up higher. 15.85 to be precise. All right, 15.85 will be a very good level the market can go up to. The market can go to before they climb up higher. All right. So all the pairs are roughly the same. They are bullish, but they are kind of overstretched here. All right, guys. I think okay, I will go through the last one. Tesla. Okay. Last two, Tesla and Apple, then we call it a day. All right. Tesla. Okay. When you look at the major items, I don't really like to look at on a daily time frame because we have a lot of what you call a gap here, gap there. I think weekly a little bit more smoother, right? Okay, a little bit more smoother. Tesla, what is happening right now is that they are just going back to some congested zone. You can see we have a lot of fighting going on here. All right, so Tesla just go back up to this congested zone. Okay, I'm not exactly so bullish on Tesla. All right, unless market manage to break this level above. I'm talking about $270 above. Okay, as long as this $270 is not really so, as long as this $270 is not really able to break out, we will have a lot of downward pressure will be coming up. Okay, so I'm slightly bullish on Tesla only. I will be more bullish unless they manage to break out this 270 level strongly. Okay, I hope I made myself clear here. Okay, another one is Apple. Same thing, I would like to use the weekly time frame. Okay, Apple, you can see last week already shows some signs of slowing down already. Slowing down already. So you can see market is kind of pin buying here. So same thing lah. Almost all of them have some minor signs of slowing down at the moment. Okay, so please be careful. Don't chase on the long side immediately. Okay. And last but not least, since we all use Facebook, let's end with the Facebook. Okay. Facebook also same. I will be a little bit skeptical. And moreover, Facebook is a bit more, I would say, is bearish to be exact. You can see here, gentlemen. High, and they have a higher high, and they start to come back down already. So Facebook will likely to go to here first before we talk about any other things. So they can go to 315-ish level. So I would say the Tesla slightly bullish only, and also Apple not really bullish, and Facebook also not really bullish at all. Okay, please be careful, gentlemen. Almost all the major tech are a bit starting to weaken already. I think that explains why NasDaq is not really so bullish right now. So guys, careful. I think this guy will likely to make a comeback down, in my opinion. Same thing, just like I just mentioned on all the risk item. I think wait and buy will be the better choice. Don't buy now. Market likely to go down lower first. Okay, guys. So guys, today a little bit along with it, and we cover as much as pairs and as much as instrument as possible. Guys, thank you very much. Yeah, I will upload the video as soon as possible. All right. So guys, thank you very much. Yeah, have a great day ahead. And yeah, please remember the KIV item that I recommended or I suggested. Okay. All right. Focus on them. Good enough already. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead. Bye for now.